Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is July the 21st. I am out here in the Milton, Alpharetta, Georgia area. This is my client. I worked for Jeff about a month ago. Came in, did his wood floors. He was so happy. He said, Courtney, you can't believe how many people I've told about your services. So he had some brand new leathered quartzite countertops, and he wanted to get that pop to it, and he was having issues trying to get the people install it to do it. So you guys know I added the countertop services to my business model maybe about 3-4 months ago. It has been going amazing, and we came out here last Monday. We did Jeff's leathered quartzite countertops. He was so happy. Him and his wife was so happy. He had me come back out today to do some more countertops. So guys, the point of this video is not what I'm just doing today, but the point of this video as entrepreneurs and especially service providers when we're working in people's homes is that building that trust factor. And the reason why I say that, Jeff is not here today. He's out playing golf in a tournament. His wife is gone. They left me access to the gate to get in the gate, and they left the door open for me. These are the type of people, guys, that I love to service, because when they see that they can trust you, that means they don't have to be here with you all the time, okay? They might want to get a feel for you the first time, but I cannot tell you how many clients that I have. Courtney, here's the garage code. Courtney, here's a key to the front door. Courtney, is the door open? Courtney, when you're done, here's a credit card. I have clients that would take a picture of their credit card and send it to me. So Courtney, when you're done, just run the card for whatever the price was, and thank you so much. Those are the type of clients, guys, I'm telling you, that it just makes the experience so much better. All right, so I went out this morning. I did 3 in-home consultations. Now I started out with 3 in-home consultations, and I end up booking 2 more today. I do charge for my in-home consultations, which is $125, and I booked 2 today to add on today. So today I have 5 in-home consultations. I've already done 3. They were all in the city of Atlanta, and I have 2 more. One in Brazelton that came through today, and one of the ones in Atlanta came through today, and then one in Flowery Branch. So let me flip this around and show you guys what I got going. All right, guys, so this is the 3rd time I've been at this property. This is actually a horse farm. They own a horse farm, and I'm in my little small truck today just to do the countertops, and I also bring this out when I like to do the consultations, because I was in this Saturday as well. So let me show you guys. I'm working by myself today. So when we first got here about a month ago, Jeff had us do all these pine floors. His master all through here. Floors look amazing. He said, Courtney, I could not stop raving about these floors. All through here, okay, and then there. Then we came back last Monday and did these leather quartz countertops, guys. And this is a very expensive piece of stone, $73 a square foot. So we did this last Monday. We also did all of this. We also did the backsplash, okay, all of that. We had a ladder, and we also stood up, Tavares stood up there. And then we came and did this part right here, and it came out amazing, as you can see. I mean, it's just a beautiful piece of stone, guys. When we put that sealer on and we buffed it out, you can just see all the veins and all the characteristics that start popping out of this stone. And that's what they wanted. And let me show you what I'm doing today. So here in the masters, so I also did the wood floors the first go around here. So today I'm going to be doing this right here. I'm also going to be doing here in the bathroom, here, and also right here. And then I'm also going to be doing here in the master's laundry room here. What's that water? Something on there. I'll get that. I'll buff that out here. And then I'm also starting here. Wow. And look at that. Look at that. So I've already did this half right here. Dry to the touch. Already buffed it out. See that? No fingerprints being left behind. And that looks amazing. All right. So that's what I'm doing today, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and probably about an hour and a half, knock this out, and then get to my next two consultations. And yeah, and then tomorrow I have a ride along coming in. You know, I do teach people how to do this. I have one of my students, Chad Buckley, coming in from PCB, Panama City Beach, which is one of my favorite places in the world. I go down there about 3-4 times a year, and he's going to be with me tomorrow and Wednesday learning wood floor maintenance, screen and recoat. All right, guys, that's it. I'll probably just come back and show you a final clip of once everything is done. All right, see you in the next. All right, guys. You might can't tell that much. Yes, you can. See right there? See the difference? I haven't done none of this yet. And look over here. Beautiful. So I just need to buff out a little bit more of this right here. Use it for like fingerprints. But that's coming out really good. And I'm also done over here. Came out amazing. That's that leather quartz. And then also right here, came out great. And then over here in the bathroom, now this is that green leather quartz, beautiful stone, man. Already done this as well. So I just talked to Jeff. He asked me to take a look at something else while I'm here in one of the guest bathrooms. Oh man, this came out. Oh man, that green came out really good, guys. Really good. Feels nice and smooth because it's sealed properly. Oh wow, that came out good. All right, guys. We'll go ahead and wrap it up. Finish up. See you in the next one.